going on, guys? October 19th, 2023, and we're headed over to a call right now where the homeowner says the breaker's tripping intermittently, and I don't know which breaker it is, if it's the air handler or the outdoor unit. Most of the time it's the outdoor unit. Probably something with the compressor or something like that, but we're going to go over there, we're going to take a look, see what's going on. This is a new customer, so hopefully we can make a good impression. Let's go take a look, guys. Okay, so apparently the panel was just replaced not long ago, a couple weeks ago, and this problem started after the panel was replaced. So we're going to pull the panel first and check just to make sure they got all the lugs tight. This is for the air handler. This is for the outdoor unit. She doesn't know which one was tripping because her husband was the one resetting it, so, and he's not home right now, but we're going to go ahead and pull the panel and check to see if anything's loose. All right. This is our outdoor, this is our indoor. Let's start by turning the indoor off. That's pretty tight. That's tight. Turn this off. I did get one turn out of that. See, well, they're pretty tight. They seem locked on there pretty good. And they seem like new breakers too, so this is weird. There's tape all over this. Make sure nothing's rubbing. This is for our outdoor unit. Looks like some rubbing there, but it looks okay. It's just odd that it started happening after the panel was replaced. All right, I'm gonna leave this off for right now. We're gonna turn this guy on, and we're going to turn the system on. Air handler's right here, and of course it's flipped around backwards, and the light doesn't work because it's not wired and it has no bulbs in it. At least it is a carrier. Okay, I put it on heat and turned it up so everything would come on. We'll see what's going on. All right, here's our outdoor unit. It's actually a Payne outdoor unit, carrier air handler. This seems good. Just gonna make sure everything's tight. It is. All right, the contactor just pulled in, but I'm gonna check this capacitor first. I'm gonna disengage it. Make sure at least 2 sets of wires are off of it. Check between common and compressor, 33, that's good enough. And then fan, I mean, it's a little weak, but it is good enough. That electric heat will probably be starting soon. Where the heck? Here it is. All right, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Customer just got home. He did confirm he's replacing or resetting the air handler breaker. So we're gonna button this back up and go up in the attic. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary. It's awful dusty. Well, I was just about to give up when I was scratching my head, so I decided, let me go down and I'm going to check the backs of the breaker and the bus bar, see what's going on there. So I come down, pull the breaker out, and that white wire fell right out. So the electrician did not land the wire properly. So basically he put the wire behind the lug, tightened it down, which is very easy to do because I've done it myself before. And he thought it was tight when it really wasn't. It was making connection, but it was making connection behind the lug. So I repair that. Then I check his range also, and that top wire right there, that aluminum one, exact same way. He put it behind the lug and not in the lug. So I fixed that one for him too. And I'm just gonna go through and check everything else, make sure all the other ones are landed properly, which they are. Just those heavy gauge ones were the ones that were messed up. Human error, guys. You know, no one's perfect in this world. I'm sure that guy maybe is a good electrician, but he didn't land them wires properly. He didn't land them right for the air handler, and he didn't land them right for his range. So I fixed them both for him. But after that, you know, because it didn't trip in front of me, and I was actually scratching my head, wondering what was going on. So what I did was I went in there and pulled the breaker. I was like, let me check this breaker, make sure there's no burnt spots on it, and let me check the bus bar to make sure there's no burnt spots on it. And as soon as I pulled that off there, the wire fell right out. And I was like, well, there's our problem. So I did that, and then I also, the one right beside it was another large gauge stranded wire. So I had a sneaking suspicion they didn't land that one right either, and they didn't. So so I fixed that one for them too. And we probably got a customer for life now. You know, nice young family there. Good people, just bought the house, just renovated the house. So I'm glad I could help him out. But he said he's going to let the electrician know. I think they had another issue with it or whatever. So I don't know, man. Like I said, you know, people make mistakes. Unfortunately, this one cost the homeowner some money. So another person's mistake cost them some money. So, but, all right, guys, that's it for this one. So, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I try to drop new videos every day, or at least 3 or 4 a week. So, but, all right, guys, catch you on the next one.